Here we are, guys, with the Losi Mini T 2.0, ready to run. Now, this truck here, it was first released about 10-15 years ago. It was just called a Mini T. Great little car, it was very popular. You could buy a lot of upgrades for it, and a lot of people converted them over to brushless. A lot of fun for a small size car. Now they retail for around $280. Everything's inside the box, and they'll come in 3 colors. They'll come in a red, blue, and a gray. So let's quickly open it up, see what you get, and then have a look at the car. Instructions. Catalog, we'll be checking that out. There's the car. Great little size, guys. Great little off-roader. Just good quality. Feels really nice. Alright, what else is in here? 2.4 pistol controller. USB charger. You get AAA's, basic tools. The battery is inside the car. Let's quickly dig in and see what you get. All right. Let's see what we're packing. So guys, just before we move on and have a look at the car in depth, just regarding the first version and the 2.0, the main differences between the first version and the second version is that obviously the second version, you get better wheels, all the parts are a lot stronger, newer servo, but the main differences is that the motor on the first version was in the rear, making it rear heavy, and when you're going off jumps, wasn't as balanced. The 2.0 has the motor centered. You do get a standard lithium polymer battery with the 2.0, and the other main difference is that you get an aluminium chassis standard with the 2.0. So let's dive in and have a look. Just regarding the car, guys, it's a scaled down version of their 110 22T. It's classified as a stadium truck. Now it is only rear wheel drive. You've got your slipper clutch just in here. Just pull that rubber boot off, and you want to keep an eye on that. All right, just there's a nut in there. You want to nip that up tight, just hand tight, and just back it up about half a turn or quarter turn out. If your car's slipping and it's not going, check your slipper clutch. Always keep an eye on your slipper clutch. Just regarding your electronic speed controller, it's based in the center. Okay, it's a 20 amp and it's a 2-in-1. So the ESC and receiver is one unit. It will come with the EC2 connector. Now, if you want to run nickel metal hydride or LiPo, that tab, you'll just have to switch them over. The LiPo, that's included. It sits in the bottom here. You'll have 2 clips just on the side there, and that compartment will come out, and your battery will slide out. And here it is here. It's a Reaction 2, it's 650 milliamps. It's a 2S 7.4 volt 20C. It is hard case. Now, if you want to buy spares of these, the part number is just there. It will come with an EC2 connector. Just regarding your battery compartment, guys, it's really tight. Now, it's about 3.3 centimeters long, and it's about 5.5 centimeters wide. Just regarding your micro servo, it's a Spectrum SX107 and it is analog. The torque rating is at 2.5 kilos output and the response time is 0.8 of a second. You do get the servo saver on there also. Let's quickly have a look at the catalog they give you. So if you want to take your Mini T 2.0 to the next level, plenty of aluminium upgrades available, which is pretty cool. Next page. Oh, this is what you want. Brushless system. Available, Spectrum radio, and some tools. Alright guys, so just regarding the car itself, you do get a 2-year limited warranty. I'm not sure if that's available in Australia. The electronics are water resistant, okay, not salt waterproof. And it is all bore raced out of the factory, which is pretty cool. You do get your coilovers there, so they're adjustable. Just be careful with this wire, guys. You don't want to damage it. Everything seems very sturdy on this car, and it feels like it's really good. The build quality feels outstanding, and you will get the aluminium chassis. Now we're pretty sure that the Allen keys are metric. What's inside the box? You'll get your 2.4 gigahertz radio, USB charger, LiPo battery, 1 Allen key, AAA batteries for the controller, bind plug, and crossway wrench for your wheels. Just regarding your charger, it's going to take roughly about an hour to 2 hours to charge. Try not to leave it on for any longer.